A seed pod that I pick up from the ground is beautiful in its form. But also the human creation, the shaping of material into form is a human act that we choose. That is a chance to elevate any moment. I'm Janet Echelman. I'm a visual artist who creates work out in the world. The ability to collaborate with Kohler's in-house craftsmen to bring this level of repeated craftsmanship at an industrial scale, so that my line drawing was not a one-off piece, but it was a piece that could be shared with people in India and Brazil and China and all around the world. All the markets that know Kohler could then have access to my art.